Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. So if you're able to see my screen, just confirm anybody so that you can continue the content visualization. Yeah, I hope you can able to see my screen, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nina. So basically, first thing I'm again clarifying everybody this call or who are already part of the last call. Coding implementation is not required for the internship submission. It is only for presentation and document. That's it. Okay. So source code installation doesn't require, but still, as I mentioned, if somebody wants to interest about the practice, what we are going for classes, example, we are working on Python and Java implementation last almost 1 month onwards, and still the class is going on. So for that, still, if you people have any doubts or any issues, you can happily come to the office and do the practice, and developers will always help you to support to overcome the issues. And also we'll make sure you will understand the project development work also. So that is anyway it's going on. Okay, but submission, the code part, not at all required. That is already clearly confirmed by the college and HOD sir. Okay, so that's the first clarification. And coming to the second clarification, I just want to give you offer letter. Most of the people are asking offer letter. Yeah, see, basically at the start of the internship, actually offer letter should provide, but somehow you we didn't get any requirement regarding the offer letter. That's why we are not sending offers, we are sending final certificates. But still, I'm repeating, but still, if you required offer letters, or if you required really offer for your future purpose, ping in the same chart, I mean that to the office number. They will prepare the offer letter and send you to your mail or WhatsApp number. There is no restriction on that denying the offer letter. We are always happy to serve the offer letter, but if you want, you can put it out, or else I will also put in the group. If everybody required, then commonly will create as like certificate, will create offer and will send to you next week. But the condition, that is also not required for this submission. That is only for your future reference. If you want to keep with you, you can keep it. That is not for college submission. Again, I'm repeating, it's not for college submission. So that's why we are keeping holding at this moment preparation of offer letters, because it's a little busy time now. We people are preparing your document and certificates, right? That's why we are keeping aside. But still, I'm not denying to the even office people also clearly called out all the people who are working for your work. Whoever are asking offer, please accept the request and take their details. And once your present work is done, they will prepare the offers and release the offers for your future usage. Though I mean that I heard some rumor like these we people are not giving offer. It's not like that. We are giving the offer. Okay, but initially we didn't get any requirement from the college from you people. That's why we didn't prepare. But we are giving the offers also along with the certificate as per requirement. Okay, that's the second point I just want to highlight. First one, source code not required. Second one, offer letter we are giving. We are giving. Again, I'm repeating. Okay. Third thing, coming to the content, project content. Okay, so project content basically requires project abstract and project introduction and project analysis content. Analysis means which includes existing proposed advantages, disadvantages, feasibility study, and architecture, and model, which model we are using, and functional non-functional requirement, hardware software requirements. So these are the sections you have to put in the analysis section. So that already I shared you in the group, all content will be there. But still, again, I told you in the group itself also, I'm preparing one end-to-end document for your reference. I will share by end of the day today so that you can use it for your reference. So where it includes every from the first page to last page, it will include. Similar to that, you can modify for your project. So in that also, I'm again repeating, whatever the document I will give it to you, in that document just you require to change the like organization profiles, your certificate and your name and hall ticket, that details, and your project details like abstract, introduction and analysis. But the remaining content, like analysis means existing proposal system, but remaining all the content will be mostly same to same for all the projects, so you don't require to modify also. So that part I will give you by today itself. End of the day, the full document which is equivalent to your submission report. Might be it might help you to clarify your maximum doubts from the document. Okay, and after that, In that list, I even given the two sets. One is environment details. For example, Java, what are the softwares we are using? What is the significance of the softwares? Similarly, Python, what is the different softwares we use? What is the significance of the software? That is already dropped at the documents in the our chart. And also, I given two more documents like implementation Java, implementation Python. So this is what you learned so far in the classroom. Okay, so you can put them as a learning outcomes. So in the place of learning outcomes, two things you can draft. That again, I'm just repeating the class, but I will give the sample document also. So one is your weekly report, learning outcomes, in which week whatever you learned, that is already we are giving along with your certificate. You have to put that place as part of the learning outcome. Along with that, you can also put the whatever the implementation document we given to you, that part you have to put there. That means that is generally login, registration. Recently the class is happening, right? That content I asked developer to capture the screenshots and capture the code part into one Word document. So the developer did it, and that is what already with you in the group. That also you can use for learning outcome. Okay, and conclusion anyway as part of the document we are giving, so that is conclusion, you can use it. Now I'm going to be section by section in your content, whatever the guidelines you're getting from the college, that I'm opening here. If you see here, okay, so first thing we have to use the cover page. Okay, so I will show you how it looks like the cover page. So generally cover page will be similar to your heading, like internship report on project name and your college and your hall ticket number, name. These are all will comes under the what you can say the cover page. And then after, see here, if you see name of this, these are all the details you put in the cover page, right? And after that, acknowledgement. This will generally getting from the college. You can take the acknowledgement and put it over there. And declaration. These two documents generally get from the college. If you people didn't get, ping me in the chat. I will ask from the college and I will give it these two documents also. But these are generally from college only. Certificate we are already providing along with our documents. You can take the document screenshot and put it here. Means if you're able to merge that PDF into this place, well and good, you can merge. If not, take the screenshot of that original certificate which we are providing, put in the certificate section. That's the fourth section. So 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. As of now, any doubt? First of all, till the 1, 2, 3, 4 sections clear everybody. First one, cover page, acknowledgements, declaration, certificate. Till this point, any doubt? Anyone, please ask me. So these are the 4 pages till now we completed.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, what should be written in the acknowledgement?
Yeah, that's what, right? Acknowledgement generally will get the common content from the college itself. Just it's a kind of acknowledging the to the college. I think this one, not this one, certificate. Let me check. Yeah, this one. I see this content also will provide you. See that this is the acknowledgement basically. Are you able to see my screen, right? So this is the acknowledgement, common by everyone. Only you require to change like your name and like your HOD name and your whoever the guide name. That places you have to change it basically. So generally, what do you mean by sir acknowledgement? And we are giving a thankful to whoever supported for your project. That is the meaning of acknowledgements. Like example, if you really thank to somebody who helped you to do the internship or project, such kind of acknowledgements will mention in the sheet. And now declaration. This is also we are giving declaration part will be in the declaration. This part also will give you content and you can paste over there. Okay. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So now table of contents, anyway, it's an index. For your entire report, the index you have to prepare the table of contents. Okay. Abstract already we are providing. Okay. Abstract means project abstract, that is in, what do you call about the project. And then introduction, we are providing along with the content, whatever the this content already given to everybody whoever paid the amount, like introduction, abstract, existing proposal, that part. Okay. Introduction is given already, that you have to paste. Organization profile already we are giving along with your certificate, that you have to paste over here. Okay. And the project description, so this place, see here project description place, you have to attach the content like existing system advantages and proposed system disadvantage, existing disadvantages, proposed advantage, that 4 sections along with the modules. Okay, there will be modules also we are giving, so that part you have to put over here. Okay. And after that, analysis and technical work is there, right? So this is what I'm talking with just before. As part of the analysis, you can include like requirement specifications, sorry, requirements also you can give in the part of project description, like example functional requirements, non-functional requirements, hardware requirements, software requirements. These 4 sections also we given already, so that also you can give put here, okay, in the project description, whatever the content. And now in analysis you have to add the feasibility study we given, and model of the project, and we given one more thing, design and architecture. So these all contents you have to put in the analysis for your reference only. That's what you may forget all this, right? So that's why individual section wise I will give a sample one Word document, as like I'm preparing already, so that I will share with you. Like example, if you see here, I'm preparing one of the project like digital saloon. So what are the contents, each section wise what we have to put. So likewise I'm giving, so you can refer this and you can use the section to prepare your document, okay? And after that, this is what I told you just before, learning outcomes. So learning outcomes to already one content given to everybody, like example weekly report. So that we have to put like what skills or what technologies we implemented, or what week wise what you learned. That is the one part. And the second part under the learning outcome is implementation. I already send you the implementation section. If you see here, so this is the part, okay, project implementation. If you see the Python, if you open, so here we already, whatever these 3 weeks the developers trained, they simplified the part which is generally having, and that will be given to you already. If you want add this, you can add it. So this is the screenshot what you are generally working on current internship classes. So if you want to add, you can add it, or if you don't want, you can leave it. If it's already crossing the 25 pages or 30 pages, you can leave this part, only mention the weekly report over there, okay? It is optional one. And coming to the next one, conclusion. This is already given as part of your first document only. Conclusion means a sign off for the project. And appendices is an optional content. It's not required to give for all them, but still if you want to add any additional information for your project, you can add it. Like example, just before I told you, right, in appendices only you can give the implementation also. Like if you want to add some coding part or some basic implementation screenshots, you can add as part of the appendices. That's it. So this is the what the report you have to prepare for your college submission. There is no coding, implementation and installation included in this report, so that it's not at all required. And offer letter also, if you see here, there is no heading called offer letter. That will only for your reference, you have to keep maintained for the future purpose. For document, that is not required. So still any more questions? Again, I'm repeating, any more questions you can ask me. But this entire, as I mentioned, right, for one of the project, I'm taking one copy and I'm doing the one end-to-end Word document. I will send you by end of the day today for your reference. Yeah, any doubts or any questions, you can ask me now. Hello, can you speak up, anybody? So if you have any questions, you can ask me. What is the use of the offer letter? See, offer letter means basically when you started internship, it is giving a kind of acknowledgement from the company where you are working here. That is the meaning of offer letter. Like example, from tomorrow you are going to be joining a company, right? I assume that. So you require a confirmation or acknowledgement of company, right? You are selector, you are working as an intern or internship. So for that only initially will give the offer letter. But once the completion of the time period, like whatever the 3 months or 2 months you work, once you complete, will give the certificate. That is completion. Certificate means completion. Offer letter means starting date. That means it is indicating, okay, you are working so and so next place. That is the offer letter meaning. And as I mentioned, right, so offer letters we are providing, but it depends on your requirement. Like if you want, you can ping me in the chat or office number, they will prepare and give it to you. But right now working on other work, so to, next time you will give it, and next week they will provide the offer letters. Coming to the hard copy certificate, yes, we are also providing hard copies. If whoever required hard copy, come and take the hard copy from the office. We are providing hard copies also. If you require hard copy, you can visit the office and you will collect your hard copy and you can take it out. We are providing hard copies also. And please, whoever attend this meeting, please inform to your friends or colleagues, because most of the people are having so many confusion and so many questions and so many what do you call rumors they're believing. So please try to avoid them, and please be confident yourself. Okay. Yeah. So sir, you mentioned what is that? Yeah, that's what I told you, right? So certificate now we are giving for your college purpose. In day one also I told you, right? So this 3 month certificate after course your internship comes, still see we are giving documents and certificate for your college submission only. It is not for end to end, because still the classes will go till the December 15. So at that completion day we'll give the 3 month certificate to you again. That is already we committed in day one itself. So we'll give the 3 months. That's what I'm just before I mentioning offer letters. Why we are not releasing? Because of this reason only. If you required in the future for 3 months, so we have to change the offer for the 3 months only. So at that time again we can't change. That's what we are not really, we given only certificate for your college submission. That is what I'm trying to explaining now. But 3 month certificate also will give you. But that is after completion, not here now. I think Harinath, I hope you understand. Yes, except second Saturday, office open on Saturday, except second Saturday. Second Saturday it will be holiday, and Sunday holiday. Any other questions? But please convey these all messages or questions what you are asking, the answers. I hope you clear. Please convey to your friends. So many are having more. I mean that many doubts. They're confusing still. So please convey this message. That's why I personally connected this call and on Friday and today. Okay, to make you clearly call out all the issues or what you call points what you have. Okay, I hope you will feel good. And also please follow the messages what you are post what we are posting on the group, so that you can also get the timely message notifications to your workshop mode. Okay, thanks for your joining, and please pass this message to as much as possible your friends. And if you have the common groups in your college like WhatsApp group, please convey this all message in the WhatsApp group, so that it will be clear for everybody today itself. Okay, but still if anybody has still questions, you can give my number, or you can inform them to call to my number personally. I hope you all have my number. You can call me directly to my number. You can speak up. Okay, but don't what do you call feel yourself uncomfort, and don't make something wrong. Okay, thank you. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.